Okay, next are quizzes. Practice quizzes will be provided each week that will assist in your understanding of the material, as well as prepare you for the unit exam. Quizzes are taken digitally through Canvas. Quizzes may be taken multiple times with the highest score maintained as the final grade for the quiz. Each unit's quizzes, plus the syllabus quiz, are worth 20 points for a total of 120 points for quizzes. So the practice quizzes, as I mentioned, they're provided to you each week. We have practice quizzes for the weeks, and so then you'll have multiple quizzes for a unit. Those multiple quizzes all together will be worth that 20 points. So the 20 points are for the quizzes as a unit. You can take them multiple times, so I do suggest that you start working through those quizzes as soon as they're available to you. You can even take them if it is helpful to you, take them to see how much information you know before you even go into the lectures. And then you can go into the lectures, do your lecture notes, do your homework assignment, all those things, and then come back and then take the quizzes to see what you've learned and see how well you can do after that. You can take them as many times as you would like throughout the time that they are available to you. Only the highest score is going to be maintained as that final grade for the quiz. So even if you take it 50 more times after you get the highest score and you get all less than high scores, that high score will be what you receive. So this first week you have a syllabus quiz. That syllabus quiz, is similar to quizzes in that you can take them many, many times, but the syllabus quiz I also have as a way for you to use Respondus Lockdown Browser and Respondus Monitor to be able to ensure that you are prepared with the programs you need for the exams. So I'll be talking about that later, but just right now I wanted to mention that the only difference between the syllabus quiz, which is why I have it separated out here, is that that is an additional quiz that's outside of a unit, and it also requires that you use the programs that you will be required to use for your exams. And it's just to get you in the practice of using those programs and making sure that they're downloaded and you understand them before we get into the first exam. So that's for the syllabus quiz, but again, you can take that over and over again to get the highest score, as well as all of the other unit quizzes, you can do the same. And again, they're each worth 20 points. That's giving you a total of 120 points for quizzes. The study skills assignments. Part of this course is to assist with the basic study skills for college courses. Each unit will have a study skills assignment worth 10 points for a total of 50 points for study skills assignments. So part of this course, as you may have recognized earlier in the course description and the course objectives, is that this course is meant to assist with basic study skills. So it's kind of an introductory, basic entry-level course to help you kind of try out different ways to study material so that as you move forward in your college career, you can take those tools that you have found, hopefully, have either worked or not worked for you and use them in other courses. So each unit is going to have something related to different study skills for you to work through. And those will be worth 10 points, giving you 50 points because there's one per unit. Please note that in each of the units, you will have multiple weeks. So multiple weeks will be included in one unit. There are assignments that are due each of the weeks, and then there are assignments that are due at the end of the unit. So some of these assignments, like the study skills assignments, comprise the entire unit and are due at the end of the unit. And we'll look at that again at the end of the syllabus as well when we're talking about the different subjects and when they're due. But just another heads up.